Rebecca Stevenson joins us now from her home in Seattle with a look at your forecast as we cruise through this week. What lies ahead for us?
Well, it's looking pretty nice. Greg, Jessica, we just got a little bit of light rain at times thrown in with some sunshine. Temperatures have been pretty mild and they'll stay mild tonight and tomorrow, but then we're going to cool down over the weekend. So got a lot of little disturbances to time out, but we're not getting a direct hit of any one storm. Tonight, we've been dealing with a little bit of light rain stretching across the area from a warm front brushing by on its way to Canada. A little bit of that light rain you could see here just moving right along the Kitsap Peninsula, north of Gig Harbor now, but tracking right across downtown Seattle and even over towards Mercer Island a little bit before it makes its way into Redmond and Sammamish. The most rainfall we've gotten today was just under 1/10 of an inch at Forks on the north coast. Clallam Bay had 6/100 of an inch and only 2/100 of an inch for Arlington, and those are some of the high totals. You would see this little front that came by. It really did just brush by and leave some spotty light rain accumulations. Even Port Angeles only came in with about 3/100 of an inch. So cloudy, spotty light rain will continue to taper off tonight. We're going to be left with cloudy skies and mild lows, mid to upper 40s, right around 50s, where we're expecting to wake up tomorrow morning, and then we're going to get going with the next front. So here's tonight's little warm front skirting by, rain gradually ending for that. Cold front, the associated cold front, still a little ways away, but it's on its way. The actual low pressure itself is heading into Canada, so that low brushing by means we'll get a little rain skirting through late in the day. University of Washington high resolution shows most rain hitting the coast at about 2 p.m., and then we'll see it move inland for a little light rain around 5 p.m. for Seattle, Tacoma, Olympia. And again, just 1/100 of an inch is really all we're looking for with this particular system. So afternoon rain for all of us tomorrow. Mild high temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, near 70 in some spots. You can see the 69-degree temperature at Seattle will go to 70 for Chehalis and Puyallup. We'll even be in the mid 60s in places like Mount Vernon and Arlington. So 7-day forecast. After that little bit of rain later tomorrow afternoon, we're going to head into Thursday with a few scattered showers around, not too many, but mostly cloudy skies. We're going to cool down, too, into the upper 50s to low 60s. Friday, we'll get back to the mid 60s, partly sunny skies, and it's a pretty nice Friday. Saturday, Sunday, though, dropping back to the upper 50s. We've got rain showers, breezy wind, and it looks at this point like Saturday is going to have the wettest day. We're anywhere from 1/4 to 1/3 of an inch of rain expected on your Saturday before we go back to the lighter showers.
Okay, Rebecca, thank you.